Hello! This is a video that is going to go over your current event journal. As I'm making this video, it's something new that we didn't get a chance to talk about and introduce in class because our schedule changed. So I will show you where it is and kind of explain the purpose of it and things like that. So if you are in your Google Classroom right now, I'm in one of my green cohorts, but gold cohorts, it's in the same place. Go to your classwork tab, scroll down, and all of the topics are in the same place, but this one has a new title now. It's called Current Events, Learning Logs, and Preparedness. So these are three things that are going to be ongoing throughout our semester. And they are all very similar, but they also are all ongoing, so it's something that we'll kind of keep cycling back to and we'll keep having a slight presence in our class. So if you go to the material Current Events Journal, and then you can click View and make it bigger. That's what I'm going to do so it's a bit easier to see. But there is a Current Events Journal Guide, a Current Events Journal Explanation, which will be this video and will be posted once I'm done it, and two different Current Event Journal templates. 2 or 3 times a week you're going to be learning about, so engaging with, thinking about, reading, watching, listening about a current event. They're important and we love them so much. And then a current event journal is just kind of a way to keep track of this over time as a backup. Excuse me, sorry. If you do want to use one of these templates, you will just need to make your own copy. But I'm going to open up the Current Events Journal Guide, which kind of provide you directions and instructions. So I'm going to make this a bit bigger. So if you're in the Current Events Journal Guide, you will be reading, listening to, watching a news story about a current event. Check your weekly schedule for how often and when and things like that. Do your journal wherever it works for you, a Google Doc, Google Slides, paper notebook, as long as you're consistent. So as long as you're consistently doing it in the same place. There are some things that you must have, and there are some things that are nice to have. And then further down, there is another place where there are links for templates. Things that you must have the article title, the date, and the source that you got the current event from. So the title, article title, if you're doing a podcast title, so whatever the title is for where your current event is from, the date of the story. Good thing I'm making this video, I'm realizing the things that I missed, and the source that you got it from. You need to cover the 5 W's, so who, what, when, where, why. You need to have an Enduring Issues connection. Our Enduring Issues Padlet is linked right here. I can also link that in the material that has your Current Events Journal Guide if that is helpful. What enduring issues do you see in this current event? Why? How come? Tell me why you made that connection to that enduring issue. And a reaction. What did you learn? What are you curious about? What other information do you need? You can do all 3 of those prompts, one of them, as long as you put some sort of reaction down. Nice to have identifying other information that you may need. What would help you if you understood the current event more? It would help my understanding about this if I knew ... And then just once again down here, here's a link to a current event journal template in Google Docs that you can make your own copy of. Here is a template for one in Google Slides. If you want to do paper copies, that's totally fine. I don't have a paper copy that I can link into this document right here. So that is what our Current Events Journal Guide is. Again, it is found under this title, under classwork, under current events, learning logs, and preparedness right here. And then this week, week 3, check your weekly schedule to see how frequently to do those. I will post this video when I'm done right here, and I will also link in our Enduring Issues Padlet. Let me know what questions you have, where you're confused, where I can support you. Go learn all about the world.